Hello everyone. So here we are going to discuss about a rectangular pulse or a square or the square pulse will be similar that only for the square pulse or square wave. These time duration as well as the magnitude will be same, and not only that, the on time will be equal to the off time also. This called the on time and this is called the off time. Okay, so the things are similar, so I am just want to discuss this rectangular pulse. Here also what we will find, if you want to get the RMS value, note here the magnitude is only positive. There is no negative part in this particular wave shape. So if you what is the magnitude, what will be the value up to zero, what is the time period, the time period for which the unique wave shape will repeat itself, that is between the time period is, you can understand it as a 0 to 2 second. That means this is 2 second, the fundamental time period, because the wave shape like this is going to appear, this wave shape like this is going to appear several times. Understood? So our time period is basically this 2 second. This is our time period. Now what we have to do, we have to get the equation of mathematical expression of this figure or the diagram. So it is 4 for 0 to 1 and it is 0. This is very easy thing. So the mathematical expression, when you are taking the integration, what you have to do, you have to take it into two parts. It will be 0 to 1, sorry, it will be 4 for 0 to 1 and it will be 0 for the rest of the time. That means you are having two part. One is 0 to 1, the magnitude is 4 only, 4 dt, and the rest of the time period, that is 1 to 2, it is actually 0. So you cannot, you can omit this part also. But what is your time period? So if you want to get the RMS, what you have to do, you have to square it, and what you have to, how you have to divide it, you have to divide it only by 2. So it will be basically 1 by 2. Though this part is 0, but you have to take the total time period. Okay, so in this way, and then you take the, you can get the value by under root, you can get the RMS value. Similarly, if you want the average how you can get, this is a rectangular wave shape having 4 and it is 1. So here the value is nothing but 0. So what is the average value over this total time period? Here you have to consider a total time period because it will not cancel out. So the total time period is 2 and the average value is basically 4. So the average value is will be 2 over the total time period. Understood? If this signal is drawn in such a way that it is having a positive portion and a negative portion, then you can only consider the average portion between 0 to 1, because if you find this value and this value, they will cancel out each other. But here the magnitude is basically 4, the area is 4 and here 0. So what is the average? Average is 4 plus 0 divided by 2. So it will be 2, as both of the cycles are present on the positive half cycle. Understood? So now I think you can able to do this type of wave shape. You can get able to understand how to get the RMS and average waveforms. Now, if I change this waveform a bit, suppose I am changing this wave shape. I have to draw it again. Okay. So initially it is having magnitude 4 up to value 1. Okay. Now there comes a ramp, and this ramp continues up to value magnitude -4. So this is suppose my -4, a ramp, it goes to magnitude 2 and it continues up to this value. Okay, and then it comes to 0 again. After that it goes up and attain the value of 4, and then after 1 second it goes down and then create a ramp and it there again goes up. In this way the system is going. So it is 3. So So, what is the first, what we have to consider, what is the unique pattern that is repeating itself? That will be our time period. So, what we are getting that this pattern is actually repeating itself. So, we can think of that our time period is like this. This is the pattern 0 to 4, then coming down to 0, and then there is a ramp, and then there is a ramp, and then it is going up, and again the after that the pattern repeats itself. Understood? So in this way we can think of the time period as t. So how we will write the equation? This part we know that up to 1, the equation of this part, it will be 4, the up to time 1. Up to time 1, this is equal to 4. Now what will be the expression of these part? What will be the expression of this part? You can consider it as a ramp, okay, but it's a straight line passing through these values. So it is not passing through origin, having a negative slope. So what will be the slope? The slope is, it will be in the equation of, you can find that if you extend it will cut somewhere. So it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. What is the slope? The slope is negative. So what is the slope? This is 4 and this is 1. So the slope is negative. This is -4. This is 1. The slope is m equal to -4. X means t. And what is c? Now if you find the ramp is having slope of -4, that means from 1 to 2, for this 1 second it has traversed the value magnitude -4 from 0, right? So that means if we go in the previous section, if we just extrapolate it, we will find obviously as the slope is 4 for 1 second duration, obviously for 1 second duration means between 0 to 1, obviously it has been it should have to travel the magnitude 4. So what will be the c at this point? The c will be +4 only. I am explaining this. What a ramp? A ramp is like this. A ramp is like this. It started from 1 and it is traversing the magnitude -4 within time 2. Understood? So that means within 1 second it is traversing magnitude of 4. So it has been traversed from magnitude 0 to magnitude -4 within 1 second. So if you think the before step, if you think of the before step, that means between 0 to 1 it must come from +4 magnitude to 0. Then it is a straight line like this. So if you want to write the equation of this type of straight line, what it will be? It will be y is equal to mx plus c, where c is becoming 4 +4, and what is the slope here? The slope is negative. This is 4 -4 and this value is 1. So the slope is -4t plus 4. This will be the equation of this part. Okay. So what we have done? We have done that this value is, so we have taken up to t. We got the total expression. So if I write the expression of the RMS of this signal, then how can I write? So if I want to write the expression of the RMS of the signal, how can I write? So this first part, so what is the total time period over which it is acting? It will be 2. Now what is the expression? The expression, this part is actually 4. So I can write 4 square integration is between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 dt. Understood? Now, if I want to write the expression of this part, it will be my minus 4t plus কত 4, this is whole square, and it will be we have to integrate this in between the time period 1 to 2, and the whole thing will be divided by the value half, and then we have to put the root. Okay, so what we are getting that this expression, now you have to solve this and you have to find what is the expression coming. Okay, so this will be the RMS value of this particular signal. Similarly, if you want to get the average value, the way will be similar. So it will be between 0 to 1, it will be 4 square dt plus for V2, then for the second part, it will be 1 to 2, and the signal will be minus 4t plus 4 this of dt. And what will be the average of it? It will be, as the total time period is 2, so we have to divide it with 2. So now you have to find the value of the signal. Okay. Thank you.